Take two waves, equal amplitudes, equal frequency, equal wave number, equal angular frequency, but opposite directions of propagation. Matlab, let's say one is going along the plus x-axis, the other is going along minus x-axis. Farz karo, imagine. Okay? Something magical is about to happen. So, without further ado, let me show you what happens. Okay? Take two sources, coherent of course, constant phase difference. Phase difference is allowed, but it should not change with time. Moving along opposite direction. Let's see what happens. Y equal to y1 plus y2, simple. Yes, sir. Is equal to A, right, sir? Sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2. Yes, sir. Cos C minus D by 2. Right, sir? Correct है ना? Right, sir. क्या होगा? What will you get? 2A sin kx cos omega t. Sir, I think you have made a mistake. Sir, cos of minus omega t. अच्छा? Cos is a even function. Cos of x is cos of minus x. अंदर का minus matter नहीं करता. 2A sin kx cos omega t. चलो बताओ. Two traveling waves in the same direction of amplitude A1 and A2 gives you another traveling wave. कैसे मालूम? Because any mathematical function which either is or can be manipulated as a function of t minus x by v must be equation of a traveling wave. Correct, sir? What is so special about 2A sin kx cos omega t? Two waves which were going in same direction gave you another traveling wave. Right, sir? Last class. इसमें क्या special है? What's so special about this? What this equation is or can be, I don't know. Right now. I don't know what is so special about this equation, but I do know what is not there in this equation. What this equation will do, I don't know, but what this equation cannot do for sure, that I know. What is this? क्या है वो चीज? This equation, I can bet my life, cannot be manipulated as a function of t minus x by v. Correct, sir? है ही नहीं, दो टर्म ही नहीं, बीच में माइनस साइन ही नहीं है. इसका मतलब, when two opposite direction waves superimposed, two traveling waves superimposed, opposite direction of propagation, what they do not produce is another traveling wave. So, sir, what is this? Ruk jao. That's step 2. Is everyone clear that this is not a traveling wave? Sure? Sure, sir. Now let's talk about what is this? What is this के लिए इसका एक format को let's consider its format in a different way. Y equal to 2A sin kx cos omega t. How about the entire 2A sin kx? जो 2A sin kx है ना, I call it A of x. Is it a function of x? Yeah. So x part separate, t part separate. Let's call it A of x cos omega t. Now tell me what is this? That's an equation of SHM. Equation of SHM, but for what particles? For many particles. Actually, if you keep on changing x, A will keep on changing. Hey, you know what? What you have is actually a collective equation of particles executing SHM. Writing is a little bad, but you got the idea, right? Collective equation of particles executing SHM. बहुत सारे particles की equation एक साथ लिख दी आपने. For many particles, you have written the equation simultaneously. Tell me, what do all these particles have in common? The cos omega t is common. That's being shared. Huh? That means all those particles, all the particles have the same angular frequency. Beautiful, right? So you have an equation, sir, which is a collection of equations of many particles who are all doing SHM with same frequency, same time period, but sir, different amplitude. Correct. क्या ये बात ठीक है? Question number 2. What does their amplitude depend on? It's a function of x. So the amplitude depends on where they are. Very good. So what you have is a collective equation of many particles, all of which are doing SHM with same frequency, same time period, but different amplitude. And guess what? Their amplitude depends on themselves only, where they are. Do you get that? सही है ना? सही. So far you are okay? Amplitude of particles executing SHM depend upon the location of the particles itself. It's a function of their own position. Good for you. अब इसमें ऐसी क्या खास बात है सर? बात तो सही है, ऐसी क्या खास बात? एक काम करते हैं. How about, just for example right now, put x equal to 0. फर्ज करो, put x equal to 0. Okay. If I put x equal to 0, I get y equal to 2a sine 0 cos omega t. Or y equal to 0, right? But sir, why are you writing, just write 0 now? Why are you writing 2a 0 cos omega t? Because I want to show you something. Do you realize just because you put x equal to 0, you didn't stop time, did you? Huh? So that means x equal to 0 wala particle, if I just say it's y equal to 0, it's incomplete. You know what's complete thing? How about this now? What's the difference? World of difference. World of difference. Your x equal to 0 wala particle will have 0 y coordinate for all times. That means time keeps on moving. That particle does not. Is this particle? Okay. Is x equal to 0 is the only value for which sin kx is 0? No, of course not. In fact, kx equal to n pi. If I put kx equal to n pi, will I get sin 0? Yeah, of course you will. That means whatever I just said about x equal to 0 particle is not just valid for only x equal to 0 particle, but it is valid periodically. Iska matlab. Sir, but your point is wrong now. Which point? Sir, these particles are not moving at all. How can they are doing SHMs? You just said this is a collective equation who is doing SHM. No? आपने तो बोला था इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बात है. You said this is y equal to a of x cos omega t, collective equation of particles doing SHM with same angular frequency. Why not? Is 0 not an amplitude? Where? You want smart? I'll give you a smarter answer. A particle at rest is also executing SHM with 0 amplitude. अब ठीक है ना? So theoretical math comes to rescue. Sir, a straight line is not a circle. क्यों नहीं है? A straight line is a circle of infinite radius. अच्छा, that. समझ में आया? Right. The interesting thing is, there are certain points on the string now which never move. Correct. Let's see what happens then. So this point never moves. Correct, sir? Can you pray tell what's the next point? एक बार calculation करके देखें next point कब आएगा? Kx equal to n pi. Kx equal to what? Sir, 2 pi by lambda. So, sir, after lambda by 2, there will be another point like that. ये रहा. आधा wavelength. Half wave. Right, sir? ये रहा. Right, sir? ये रहा. Right, sir? ये रहा. Can you see those bright yellow dots, exaggerated yellow dots I have drawn? Do you agree that these points never move? हाँ, sir. These points never move. So, what happens to the string between them? In between them, okay. So, if you are saying kx is equal to 0, sin can be equal to plus 1 also, correct? Sin equal to plus 1, what is the amplitude? 2a plus 2a. If sin equal to minus 1, what is the amplitude? Minus 2a. Wrong. यहीं फंस जाते हो तुम. When somebody asks you amplitude, you never answer minus 2a. Minus 2a is the position. Amplitude cannot be negative, Baba. Careful. Careful. If somebody says It's a collective equation of SHM in which the amplitude goes from plus 2a to minus 2a. Horribly wrong. आता ही नहीं है SHM. गलत. Amplitude can't be negative. Positions are. Maximum extreme, positive extreme, negative extreme. हाँ, ये जरूर कह सकते हो that if the point number, the one which I just dotted, the one which I'm dotting right now, okay, I'll dot again. The one which I'm dotting right now is at the positive extreme. The one which I'm dotting later is at the negative extreme. That part makes sense. मान लिया. है ना? Right, sir. Okay. So basically, there are certain points which are never moving. There are certain points whose amplitude is 2a. There are certain points whose amplitude is a by 2, a by 4, a by 6, a by 8. Yes. But what happens? What happens after 1/4 of a time period? 1/4 of a time period, these guys don't go anywhere, correct? They don't go anywhere. But what happened to the other particle? Oh, you are saying in 1/4 of a time period, particles come from their extreme to their mean? Achha, third point. All particles have the common mean position. You are telling me that the string right now is flat. Correct. For now. What happens after 1/4 of a time period? Exact ulta. Why exact ulta, sir? Because 2/4 of time period makes 1/2. And 1/2 of time period is a phase change of pi. And phase change of pi means ulta world. What happens after one more quarter? Type your answers. What happens after one more quarter? Sir, after one more quarter, it's time to cross the mean again. Sir, flat string? What do you know? And what happens after that? Sir, one full time period. Oh, so you are saying story has come back full circle. There you go. I have not taken any names. I have not said kya ho raha hai, what's happening, nothing. We are going organically. We are discovering as things are coming along our way. But what's fascinating is that these points, which I will from now on call nodes, N for nodes. These points, which from now on I will call nodes, which actually have, right now in ideal world, the definition of nodes is the points which do not move. But don't hold me on to that, because real world mein definition kuch aur ho jata hai. It's something else. It's a minimum word. But right now in ideal world, the nodes are those points which behave as if somebody has put a keel on that, nail on that, clamp on that. Is there an actual clamp? There is no actual clamp. That's the beauty of nature. There is no actual clamp, but they behave as if they are clamped. That's brilliant, right? Okay, sir. How you were saying something about fascinating. Watch. What's fascinating is that two proper waves came. Not a single point was at rest. No. Can you see the two parent waves? Do you see any point at rest all the time? No. Each point is going up and down, transverse wave. Do you see any point at rest in the right wala wave, parent wave? No. But they club to give you a certain arrangement with some points at rest. Correct, sir. Now, what's fascinating to me is as follows. When two harmonic waves of equal frequency and amplitude traveling through a medium in opposite directions superimpose, they give you, ignore that. अब बात करते हैं. Do you realize I talked about medium should possess elasticity and inertia for a wave to propagate? Correct, sir? क्यों कहा था elasticity? Because when a particle has elasticity and inertia, it not only absorbs a force, it retaliates to it. But when, अरे यार simple सी बात है. Will the Mexican wave work if a snobbish person says in the audience, मैं तो नहीं उठ रहा. I'm not getting up. Will the chain break? Correct, sir. समझ गए ना? Right, sir. That means for energy to transfer along, you need particles to move. But if the particles do not move, what happens? Energy can't transfer. That means between two consecutive nodes, क्या देखो क्या हो रहा है? Between two consecutive nodes, energy is trapped. Right, sir. Between two consecutive nodes, energy is, sir, stagnant. Right. Between two consecutive nodes, energy is stationary. Right. Between two consecutive nodes, energy is standing. Hence, standing wave.